Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am back with another Bundt cake recipe for you. As you know, in the following weeks I'll be sharing Bundt cake recipes, all my perfect Bundt cake recipe. We already made a red velvet, chocolate and cornmeal flour cake. Today I will make a banana Bundt cake for you. Just simple, moist, delicious cake for a tea time. So enjoy with the family and your friends. So this cake takes at least 2 to 3 minutes to make it. For this cake I'm using 3 bananas. They are very big bananas. So the first thing, we smash all the bananas and they leave apart, and in a small bowl we add eggs, sugar and the oil, and we mix it for about 1 minute. Okay guys, I forgot to say that all the time before I start any recipe I turn my oven on. I usually bake my cake at 180 degree, so I like to turn on before start any recipe. When we mix that 3 ingredients together, we add bananas. We mix just for little bit and add the flours, and the next I like to add the flour in 2 steps or in 2 times, so it's more easy to incorporate. I add a pinch of salt as well for this recipe, just to intensify the flavor, and add cinnamon as well. It's just optional. If you don't like, you don't have to. And we add baking powder, mix it very quick. We don't need a mixer to make this cake. So is the cake I usually say, if you want something sweet, just go to the kitchen and make this cake, because it's very easy. I use here only 1 cup of sugar because I use very big bananas. So but if you want to use less banana, you have to add a little bit of sugar, at least a quarter of cup of sugar more. So I bake this cake for about 40 minutes, between 40 to 45 minutes, and I normally let it to cool for a few minutes before removing from the tin. And after, I let the cake cool completely, before cutting. But it's just up to you how you want to eat this cake. Very simple cake, and not very sweet. Sometimes I make this cake only with bananas. I only use 1 cup of sugar here, but even so, for me this was little bit of sweet. So I really hope you enjoyed to watch this video. As you know, in the following weeks I will share only Bundt cake in this channel, maybe at least 3 recipes per week, and I have at least 20 recipes of Bundt cake I want to share with you. I really hope you enjoyed to watch this video. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.